This guy dropped his phone. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see. Shattered, absolute. Okay, so now he's gonna put toothpaste on it. Rub it in. He literally just made a jump cut. I don't believe this. How do you fix a broken screen with toothpaste? Like my phone.
Oh,
look at how beautiful it is. And it's like squishy and flimsy. Listen to the ASMR.
This is so
stupid. And we're gonna rub this in. Oh, why is it burning my eyes? Why is it feeling smooth?
What?
Wait a damn minute. Ah, what are you gonna expect?
Okay, that didn't work.
In fact, it like took out glass shards. It worked, guys!